Hi, hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss medical abbreviations with alphabet A. So let's begin. So in this video lecture, we will discuss the medical abbreviations with letter A, such as ALS, AMA, AML, AMS, and ANA. So the first abbreviation is ALS. The full form of ALS is Advanced Life Support, and this means the ALS it involves more advanced invasive procedure and interventions to manage critical conditions. The ALS the ALS it include advanced airway management, intravenous medication, cardiac monitoring, and advanced resuscitation techniques. The next abbreviation is AMA. AMA stands for Against Medical Advice. So, AMA is the abbreviation AMA is usually written on the patient discharge summaries, in which the patient leaves the hospital despite risks. Legal implication it reduces liability with clear documentation of risk explained. The patient with chest pain, for example, the patient with chest pain left AMA after refusing further cardiac workup. AML, the full form is acute myeloid leukemia. It's a type of cancer that starts in the blood forming cells of the bone marrow. Exposure to the chemical, such as benzene, is a known risk factor for AML in adults. AMS, altered mental status, is a full form, is a change in a person level of awareness, cognition, or behavior. And usually this happens because of infections, electrolyte imbalances, head injuries, drug or alcohol use, and it needs immediate medical attention. The next abbreviation is ANA. The ANH stands for anti-nuclear antibody. It is a test which is primarily it is used to diagnose it helps to diagnose autoimmune diseases such as systemic lupus erythematosus. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Please do visit the links in the description of this video. Thank you.